Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn how to add a contact form to your WordPress website using WP Form plugin. If you want visitors to contact you easily without sharing your personal email, in that case you can use this WP Form plugin to your WordPress website to creating the contact form or many similar forms for your WordPress website. So first understand what is WP Forms. So WP Form is one of the most popular beginner-friendly WordPress form builder plugin. It is come with a drag and drop builder, meaning that you don't need any coding skills for developing or designing your forms for your WordPress website. It also design a beautiful structure or it also provide the customizable templates to develop your contact form to your WordPress website using WP Form plugin. It also provide the simply choose a form for template, built-in template to develop a WP forms to your WordPress website. You also customize as per your requirement or client's requirement, and it also provide the publish shortcode for providing your in a to publishing in your WordPress website within a few minutes. It also saves the times. With the help of WP Form plugin, you can create multiple forms like a contact form, survey form, registrations form, payment forms, or news letter sign up forms, or many more. There are key features of WP Forms that includes pre-built form templates, mobile-friendly that is responsive designs for forms. It also provides the spam protection that is built-in reCAPTCHA to your form, and it also provides the instance email notification for your WP Forms. Whether you are beginner or professional, WP Forms make it easy for everyone to add the powerful forms to your WordPress website and quickly and easily. It also saves your time with the help of built-in templates to develop your WP forms. So let's get started. So our first step is that is install and activate the WP form plugin to your WordPress website. So let's start. Here, this is my WordPress website dashboard. I have already logged in with my login credential to my WordPress website. This is the dashboard. Here you can see there is a left sidebar. There is a menu called plugin. You have to click on that menu. Then click on add plugin button. Here you can see a search bar is present. You have to search WP Font plugin here. Then this is the symbol or icon for WP Forms Builder. We have to click on Install Now button. Here you can see it is installed now. Now we have to activate the plugin for our WordPress site. Just click on Activate button. Now our WP Form plugin is installed and activated. Now you can see this is the welcome page of WP Form plugin. Now you can see here in a left sidebar there is a new menu is added, that is WP Forms. Here just click on WP Forms. Here we have to create a new form. For this task, we have to create a contact form for our WordPress website. For that purpose, here you can see a new, for creating a new form, there is an option called Add New button. We have to click on it. Here we have to provide form name. Just I will provide a contact because I will create a contact form. That's the reason I will provide the contact as a name. You can give as per your preference. Then scroll down. Here you can see there are multiple built-in templates are present for your forms. You can create any form. As a beginning, told you that we can create contact form, survey form, registration form, some sign up forms. So here you can see there are built-in templates are present for creating that forms. Here you can also create the blank form and select this blank form, and you can add the fields to that form and create as per your preference type of form. There are built-in templates like simple contact form, newsletter sign-up form, automobile information form, party invitation form, and it also provide the upgraded, that is pro version forms, that is meeting room registration form, New Year party form, like that. But for this task, we have to create a contact form for our WordPress site. That's the reason I select this template. Here you can see there is a button called use template. You have to click on use template button. The form is loaded, that is template is selected for, that is simple contact form. So this template is by default added the fields called name, email, or comment or message, and also it added the submit button for submitting the form. Here you can see this is the name field. In that they provide the first name and last name. Also they provide the email, and here you can see there is another field called comment or message. If you want to add another field to your form, in that case you can see here left side there is an option called fields. In that you can add multiple fields as per your preference. Here you can see single line text, paragraph text, multiple choice, numbers. But for a contact, there are basic information needed, that is name, email, and message. So I keep it as same, that is basic fields. If you want number should added to the contact form, then simply drag the field and it will create here the field. You can see the number field is added to your form. If you want to add the settings for your field, then just click on that field. Here you can see if you want to change the field name, that is label, you can change here. That is by default is number. Now I have to add as a phone number, and I will change like this. Here you can change the label for the any text field or any field you added for that form. Also, you can change the settings like advanced setting. Here you can see there are field size. If you want a medium, if you want a small size, in that case you can select a small size. If you want medium size, if you want large size, in that case you can select as per your preference. Then I want medium, so I will select medium only. If you want visitors can understand what exactly should add to that field, in that case you can add the placeholder text here. Just add the enter number here. So visitors or new users that will access that form, that easily understand what exactly they have to add to that field. For that purpose, you also add the placeholder for that particular field. Here we have to set the minimum range or maximum range should be or to add that phone number. So I will add the 10 as a minimum and also add the 10 as a maximum, because our number digit is 10. Like this, you can add the settings to your field. After doing all these settings, you can simply save the form. I don't want that phone number for my contact form. I just want basic information like name, email, and comment or message and submit button. So that's the reason I don't select that number. Just save the form. Now we will move to the next step. So we will done with the step 1 and step 2, that is we have installed and also activate our plugin, and also we have created a basic contact form using template, that is built-in template. Now we will configure the form settings. This is optional but recommended for future use. So first we set up the notification for our contact form. So here this is the form editor. Just we click on settings, that is left side, the option is provided. Here you can see multiple options are there. We have to click on notification. Here you can see the by default we have enable the notification. We have to set the email address here to whom we have to send this form. For that purpose, we have to provide the email address here, and from where we have to send this mail. For that purpose also you can set this email address here. I just set the email. And after setting, you can save the button. Here the right top corner, you can see the save button. After notification setting, we have to set up the confirmation setup. Now, here you can see after notification, the new option is present, that is confirmation. So this option is present for if you fill all the details and of contact form after submitting the button, you can see the message that is thanks for contacting us. So we have to provide this message. So WP Form plugin is provided the message by default. Here you have to just select the message as a type. Then the message is displayed. You also change if you want this, if you don't want this message, if you don't want another message. In that case, you can type here and change from here. I keep it as save and just click on save. After all the settings, you have to just click on save button. Now we will move to the next step. So our third step is also done. Now we will go with the step 4, that is add a CAPTCHA to protect your form. So to protect your form from a spam submission, that is bots, it is highly recommended to add the CAPTCHA to your contact form or any form you just created. So WP form provides the two ways to protect your forms. So first one is option, that is built-in anti-spam protection. It is a simple way to protect your form from spam submissions, and also it provides the Google reCAPTCHA integration for your stronger security purpose that protects your WP forms from spam submissions. So we will see both the ways how to do this. So first we go with the first option, that is enable WP forms with the built-in anti-spam protection. So go with the form editor. Here you can see the settings. In that there is a second option, that is spam protection and security. Here you can see there is an option called enable anti-spam protection. You have to just enable this option and you have to save the form. It will block the spam submission from bots from your form after submitting the your contact form. This is the first option you can use, and there is another option is there, that is second. You have for a stronger protection security for your WP form, you can use add a Google reCAPTCHA for advanced spam protection. For that, you have to register your website to the Google reCAPTCHA website, that is a official website is present for a Google reCAPTCHA. We have to visit that official website. So I will go with the Google Chrome. Just open new tab and search for a Google reCAPTCHA admin. Here you can go with the first link, that is sign in. You have to that is there is a option called register a new site. We have to register our website here. So in a label, we have to provide our WordPress website. Now we have to select, that is challenge V2. I want the checkbox like I am not a robot checkbox. So for that purpose, I will select the challenge V2 option for my WordPress website. Here in a domains, we have to also provide our WordPress website name. Now scroll down. We have to click on submit button. Here you can see it will generate the site key and secret key for our WordPress website. We have to just copy this site key and secret key and we have to provide in WP form settings. So we will go with our WP forms now. Just save the settings all. Now go with the WP forms. Here in a WP forms, you can see the option called settings. Just click on settings. Here the third option is CAPTCHA. We have to click on CAPTCHA. Here I selected the Google reCAPTCHA icon. Here you can see this is the Google reCAPTCHA icon. We have to select that option. Then here type is we selected the CAPTCHA as a reCAPTCHA V2. So select that option. Now we have to paste the site key and secret key here. That is we created, just created. Here you can see the key, that is copy site key and paste here, that is site key option. Now select the secret key and also copy that one and paste here. Now in a preview you can see the new CAPTCHA is added, that is Google reCAPTCHA. So before submitting your form, that is contact form, it will ask this preview, that is this Google reCAPTCHA for spam protection. Just click on save settings. Here you can successfully added the site key and secret key. Let's save the settings. Now our next step is we register our WordPress website to Google reCAPTCHA, and we also copy paste the secret key and site key in our WP form setting. And we also we have now third option is we have to enable the reCAPTCHA in our specific form. So for that we have to go with the WP forms. In that, click on all forms. So here you can see I just created the contact form. Here you have to click on edit this form. Now here we have to go with the setting. Here you can see there is an option called spam protection and security. Here we have to just click on this toggle button, that is we have to enable Google checkbox V2, that is reCAPTCHA, Google reCAPTCHA for our form. And after that we have to click on save button. Now go with the fields. Here you can see the reCAPTCHA is enabled for our contact form. Just click on save button. So we just created this using built-in template, the contact form, and also we added the reCAPTCHA, that is Google reCAPTCHA for stronger spam protection. Now we have to add this contact form to our WordPress website. So for that purpose, just I will create one page, that is contact. Here go with the dashboard. Here you can see there is a menu called pages. Here click on add page. So before adding, there are two ways to add or publish your WP forms to your WordPress website. Here, this is my contact form, just created a WP forms using WP form plugin. Here you can see the shortcode. You just copy this shortcode and paste in your page and select the shortcode and paste there. This is the one way, and second way I will show you. That is, we have to click on add page. Give the title to your page, that is I provide the contact. Here just you can click on plus icon And here you can search short code and select this short code, and you have to paste that short code number here, and the form is displayed here. This is the first way. And second way is just click on plus icon, and here you can search WP Forms. Here you can see the option is present, that is WP Forms. Just select on WP Form. Here you have to select a contact form. Just created contact form. Here you can see the form is displayed just that we just created, and click on publish to set it in live. Now our page is added. So our WP form is added to the contact page. Now I want in my site here after interview the new menu is I want, that is contact. For that purpose I will go with the dashboard. In my appearance here I go with the menus. So this is my upper menu bar. In that I select the page that is created, just created the search contact, that is our page name. Here we have to click on add to menu. Here you can see after interview the new menu is added, that is our page we just created, that is contact page. Now click on save menu. Here now we will see the new menu is added or not. Now you can see in my WordPress site, there is a new menu called contact is also added. Now click on contact. Here you can see the contact form is also displayed. The fields are name field, email field, and also the comment field. And we just added the reCAPTCHA, that is Google reCAPTCHA. This is also added. Now we will simply check all fields are doing correctly or not. For that, I fill the form. So it is already, I am not robot. So just click on submit button. Here you can see we provided the confirmation message to in a settings for WP form plugin. The message is displayed here after clicking on submit button. That is thanks for contacting us. The default message is displayed for confirmation. So like this, we added the contact form to our WordPress site, and also we added the menu for visitors to easily add the contact information and see the details of an email. And so adding a contact form to your WordPress website using WP Form plugin, it is a simple, easy, and fast. It also requires no coding skills. It not only makes it easy for your visitors to reach you, but it also helps you to manage the enquiries in a professional way. With the feature like spam protection, built-in templates, customizable notification, and easy drag and drop built-in editor. So WP form is a perfect choice for beginners as well as professional visitors to develop the WP forms or contact form, survey form, or many more forms. So this task is completed. Thank you.